Okay, I'm going to show you how to get from this form 12 cos x plus 5 sin x into the Rcos x plus alpha form. First we're going to start off by expanding the right hand side, Rcos x plus alpha. So we'll have Rcos x cos alpha plus R sin x sin alpha. Okay, so we're going to compare the left-hand side with the right-hand side, and over here we've got a cos x, and on the right-hand side we've also got a cos x. So if we compare the terms in cos x, we can see that 12 must be equal to r cos alpha. Okay, and similarly, if we look at the terms in sin x, we've got sin x here, and we've got a sin x here, and we can see that 5 must be equal to r sin alpha. Okay, so we've got simultaneous equations in R and alpha, not the usual kind that we're used to, but they're quite simple to solve once you've seen them a couple of times. Okay, so we're going to start by trying to work out what R is, and I'm going to show you a little technique here. We're going to start off by squaring both of these equations. So I'm just going to write it as 12 squared. Whoops, got the wrong colour. Let's change. Okay, so that's going to be R squared cos squared alpha. And then we're going to square the other one. So we've got 5 squared is r squared sine squared alpha. Okay, now I'm going to add these two equations. So I'm going to have 12 squared plus 5 squared is r squared. Now that's in both terms, so I'm going to take that out as a factor into cos squared alpha plus sine squared alpha. Okay, I'm sure you all recognise that this is an identity that we know from last year. So we've got 12 squared plus 5 squared is r squared times 1, so just r squared. So if we want to find out what r is, we'll just do the square root of 144 plus 25, square root of 169, or 13. Okay, let's move that up a little bit. Okay, so now we need to know what alpha is. And if we take our two equations and write them one on top of the other, so we'll have 5 is r sine alpha over 12, which is r cos alpha. Okay, then the r's will cancel out, and we'll just have sine alpha over cos alpha, which is tan alpha, and that's 5 over 12. So then we just need to use our calculator to find out what alpha is. Forgot to turn my calculator on. So we've got inverse tan of 5 over 12. Whoops. So we've got 0.395 radians to 3 decimal places. So if we go back to our question, what is the form? The Rcos form that we need, it's 13 cosine of x minus 0.395. Okay, that's how you do those.